Díoghuit agus fáilte go dtí an rang Gaeilge. Baimid ag féchant tá nó bíonn. Okay, so tá agus bíonn sa Gaeilge san aimseir loireach. Okay, so fécinn seo. Tá and bíonn both mean to be. Okay, but they're used in different ways. They can also mean there is or there are. So just like tá mé, tá tú, tá sé, tá she, we have bíonn, bíonn tú, bíonn sé, bíonn she. In Hiberno English, the English is the English that's spoken in Ireland, people sometimes say does be and do be to reflect the meaning of being. Okay, so that comes directly from Gaeilge. Okay, but we still have it in the way we speak. Okay, so tá mé, you're familiar with this. Tá mé, no time. Tá tú, tá sé, tá she. Tá mid, tá sibh, tá siad. Okay, I am, you are, he is, she is, etc. Dúilteach, nílam, no níl tú, níl sé, níl she. An will im, no an will tú, sé, she. And then on kind indirach, nach willem or go willem. So thula mé go will tú ag dul go dtí an siopa. I heard that. Okay, thula mé go will tú. Thula mé nach will tú ag dul. I heard that you are not. Okay, so that's in there as well. Now bíonn. Bíonn, I am, but these are on a regular basis. Okay, bíonn tú, sé, she, etc. Okay, so tá. We use tá if the action is taking place now, if something is a fact, or if the speaker thinks it is a fact. Tá sesiún ceol siúil inis. There is a music session taking place now. Okay, so that is taking place right that very second when you say that. Tá an bhruiséil sa Bheilg. Brussels is in Belgium. Okay, there's no dispute in that unless they've moved Brussels to some other country. Don't think so. So we're using tá. Tá ag gairí go maith lum. I am doing well. Okay, so tá is often used with the following phrases: inis, anew, faoi láthair. Okay, what about bíonn? We use bíonn if the action takes place regularly, so not just once. Bíonn ceacht ceol agam gach oíche. I have a music lesson every night. Bíonn sé fuair sa Bheilg sa Gheimhre. It is cold in Belgium in winter. Bíonn áthas orm nuair a bhuaimid. I am happy when we win. Okay? Cearcolóir. Often used the following phrases with bíonn. I gcónaí, uaireanta, inis is a ríis, ó am go chéile, go rialta, an tá mar fad, ó am go ham, de go ná, go hanamh, go minminic, go minic, riamh. Okay? Bíonn is often used with time phrases that use gach. So gach lá, gach bliain, gach céad bliain. Okay, go hintach. So at this stage, hopefully, tuigeamid tá agus bíonn. When do we use tá? When do we use bíonn? Sin cearcolóir? Go hintach. Now, níos mó samplaí an sin. We'll keep going though. Okay, so inis tá ceacht a, no clochta a. Okay, so líon na barnaí leis na focail seo. Okay, blank tú déanach gach lá. Okay, so this is gach lá. It's not just inis. Okay, it's gach lá. So will we be using tá or bíonn? Bíonn, of course. Okay, so there you go. Bíonn tú déanach. Now is ceist atá an seo. Okay, so we're looking for a ceist, and there you go. Unmíonn. Unmíonn tú déanach gach lá? Do you be late every day? Or are you late every day? Okay, so clochta a an sin, clochta b, astrig go Gaeilge. Okay, are you early every day? Okay, cad é an focail early. Okay, so féicsú sa sin lua, sin an focail L-U-A-T-H. Okay, so scríamh as Gaeilge. Is he home now? Okay, will we use tá no bíonn? Okay, an bhfuil. Agus C. Hengri cuig líon na Barney. Tá brown blank to teen. Tá brown something teen. Gumíon to teen. Or brown Tá brown go will to teen. Okay, I'm sorry that you are sick. Okay? Sin cear color? Okay. Go híntaach agus D an sin. Okay. Yeah, D. A irla blank de hismahori. A irla blank de hismahori. Okay, so fake is ceist atá an sin, so bhí cuairmach. Sira, ba siad a rashamórach. Ifir dó, blank strus earth faoin ribh scrúdathe degan á. Okay, a rís is ceist atá ann. Degan á bíonn strus ribh scrúdathe. Degan á, usually I am or I do be under stress when there's tests. Okay, being stress ribh scrúdathe. Okay, so hengad í a cúig an sin. Ionach go nairí leat agus slán.